Hi there. Today we will show you how to create a blog using Scribo and WordPress. First, access your account and click on the Templates section. Inside it you will find a WordPress template. Select it and give your project a name. From there you will be redirected to the editor view, where you will be able to customize your website to better reflect your brand identity. In this case, we are going to change the main image and the header logo. After saving all of the changes, you can open the preview and navigate to your new blog. This template already provides a home page, categories, article view, and search functionality. By default, the theme uses a generic WordPress, but you can easily change that to reference your own installation. To do that, go to the Configurations menu and change the variable named WordPress API to the address of your WordPress API URL. Now, just publish your project and your new blog will be available at your project name.scribo.dev. To learn more, access scribo.dev and subscribe to get more tutorials like this one. See you next time.